Now Manju's mother tells her to fight back and she should not give it up. So Manju's throat was thick with tears. She was very sad and she turned away from there, from her mother, and she dashed into her room and she flung herself on the bed and burying her face, means that holding, putting her face in the pillow, she started, probably she was crying. When at last she sat up, her eyes fell on some newspaper cutting on the table. The newspaper was kept there, and what she reads is that strange, she thought to herself that she had not kept the newspaper there. How come it was there? And then she read on it. She picked up the paper and she read, playing football with artificial feet. Now she is reading about somebody who has become very popular and has been playing with an artificial feet. He did not have feet, but he had artificial feet and he played. And this struck her very much, because it was the same case with her, that she did not have fingers. She did not have fingers on her hand, only two fingers on each. So she was very much taken up by this and impressed that a person with artificial feet can play. And then she read about him, that it was this in Hampshire, Richard Bellinger, who had lost his feet in an accident, and he decided to play football with his artificial feet. So this was very impressive, and his coach thought that it was ridiculous. He would not be able to play with artificial feet, but he made up his mind. He was determined and he played. His parents also did not like that their son should play with artificial feet, but he did it, and then he became a very famous person, and he was the defender of his team. So Manjula dropped the clipping. What a brave boy, she thought. He didn't give up. He played on despite what other people said. Perhaps her mother was right. Now Manjula started thinking, after she read about this boy, she started thinking that really my mother was right. She was right in saying that don't give up. You can also do something in your life, even if you have two fingers on your hand. She had to fight on like Richard Bellinger. Manjula walked over to her cupboard, hunted through the pile of clothes, and pulled out her colors and brushes. Now she thought that she would also have to fight like Richard Bellinger, and so she went back to the cupboard where she had already, when she was disappointed and her father got angry with her, she went and kept those colors back in the cupboard. So now she goes back to the cupboard and takes out all those colors and the paint brush and all, and she plans to start painting again. On the day of the on the spot painting competition, shortly after breakfast, her brother said, "I'm off, Ma. Ratan and I are helping at the entrance gate. They are expecting a big crowd." Turning to Manjula, he said casually, "Pity you aren't coming. I'm sure you would have won a prize." Now, here her brother is, after breakfast, he tells his mother that he is going and he has to help at the entrance with one of his friend. Ratan and I are helping at the entrance. And then there's a big crowd, but he tells, when he sees his sister Manjula, he says that I really pity you that you aren't coming. And if you would have come, then you would have surely won a prize. "I might still win one," Manjula says. "That I might win one still," Manjula replied as casually as she could. "Manjula, does that mean you are participating?" Amol jumped up and hugged Manjula. "I knew you would do it. I was sure you wouldn't give in." Now, when her brother hears that she says that I can still win it, then he has some doubt and he asks her that means that you are participating. And then he tells her that yes, I knew that you would participate and you would not give it up. Manjula freed her hands and answered softly, "If Richard Bellinger could do it, why not Manjula Parelkar?" Now she tells her brother, she freed her hands and she told her brother that if Richard Bellinger could do it, then why can't Manjula Parelkar do it? Her brother looked at her. A broad smile spread over his face. He was happy hearing these words from his sister. Richard Ballinger, Mrs. Parelkar asked, surprised. Who is Richard Ballinger? Now, mother came there, and when she heard them talking, both the brother and sister, then she asked, who is this Richard Ballinger? Then Richard Ballinger spoke Manjula. Manjula started telling, and her brother together plays football with artificial feet. Isn't that something? Now both Manjula and her brother started explaining to the mother that Richard Ballinger is a famous football player and he plays with artificial feet. So it's something to wonder how he can manage. And therefore, indirectly, Manjula is telling her mother that she could also win many competitions and do well just like Richard Ballinger.